Hello student, welcome in a Sahaj Shikshan YouTube channel. So student, today we are going to take 9th standard subject is a history and political science. In that second chapter, India events after 1960. So today we are going to take the complete exercise of this chapter. Before going to start question first, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and if you are like to this video, please press the like button. Question first. In that question A, choose the correct option from the given option and rewrite the statements. सो त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे, त्यांनी जे ऑप्शन्स दिलेले आहेत त्यातला करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करा आणि ते जे स्टेटमेंट दिलेलं आहे ते स्टेटमेंट पुन्हा लिहिण्यास सांगितलेलं आहे. So question in that first question, the Prime Minister of India who took an initiative in resolving the question of the Tamil minority in Sri Lanka was. ऑप्शन दिलेले आहेत राजीव गांधी, इंदिरा गांधी, ऑप्शन सी आहे HD देवे गोवडा अँड डी ऑप्शन PV नरसिंह राव. तर या चारीपैकी जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आहे तो आहे ऑप्शन ए राजीव गांधी. तर या ठिकाणी मी फक्त ऑप्शन दिलेला आहे, तुम्ही हे जे स्टेटमेंट आहे हे पुन्हा रिराईट करायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इज द फादर ऑफ ग्रीन रिव्होल्यूशन इन इंडिया. फर्स्ट डॉक्टर वर्गीस कुरियन, होमी भाभा, सी ऑप्शन डॉक्टर MS स्वामीनाथन अँड डी ऑप्शन डॉक्टर नॉर्मन बोरलॉग. तर यातला सी ऑप्शन हा जो आहे डॉक्टर MS स्वामीनाथन इज द फादर ऑफ द ग्रीन रिव्होल्यूशन इन इंडिया. तर पुढे हे स्टेटमेंट तुम्ही रिराईट करायचं आहे. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट मधील क्वेश्चन बी आहे, आयडेंटिफाय अँड राईट द रॉंग पेअर इन द फॉलोइंग सेट्स. तर आपल्याला रॉंग पेअर कुठला आहे ते शोधायचं आहे. इंदिरा गांधी इमर्जन्सी, राजीव गांधी डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी, PV नरसिंह राव इकॉनॉमी इम्प्रूव्हमेंट्स अँड चंद्रशेखर मंडल कमिशन. तर यातलं आन्सर वेगळा जो आहे तो आहे चंद्रशेखर मंडल कमिशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2A, based on the information in the chapter, prepare a chronological chart of prime ministers and their tenure. तर जे आपल्याला हा धडा वाचून त्याच्यानुसार जे प्राईम मिनिस्टर आहेत त्या प्राईम मिनिस्टर आणि त्यांचा कालावधी, म्हणजे ते ज्या कालावधीसाठी प्राईम मिनिस्टर होते त्याची लिस्ट बनवायची आहे. तर सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, त्यांचा कालावधी आहे 1947 to 1964. देन सेकंड लाल बहादूर शास्त्री 1964 to 1966. थर्ड इंदिरा गांधी 1966 to 1977. देन फोर्थ वन मोरारजी देसाई 1977 to 1979. देन फिफ्थ वन चरण सिंग is 1979 to 1980. Then again sixth one is the Indira Gandhi 1980 to 1984. Then again Rajiv Gandhi 1984 to 1989. Next Vishwanath Pratap Singh 1989 to 1990. Chandrasekhar 1990 to 1991. Then PV Narasimha Rao 1991 to 1996. Now here is the wrong one. Okay. Then HD Deve Govda 1996 to 1997 for 1 year. Then Inder Kumar Gujral from 1997 to 1998, and then Atal Bihari Vajpayee from 1998 to 2004 year. So this is the list of the Prime Minister and their tenure. Question 2 in that question B. Write a short notes on. Question A. Globalization. Answer. Globalization brought about many changes in different fields like economy, politics, science and technology, society and culture. Second point, India has emerged as an important country on the global scene in a different spheres. Third point, India is an important member of an international organization like G20 and BRICS like Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Fourth point, India has experienced an important revolution in the field of telecommunication technology. Then fifth, mobile phones, internet and the communication facilities based on satellite have spread all across the country. Then sixth point, it has resulted in a total transportation in the lifestyle of Indians and especially the youth. And seventh point, these changes are visible from their dietary habits, clothing, language, and beliefs. Now, the second question, White Revolution. यालाच दुग्ध क्रांती असं म्हणतात. First point, White Revolution is a major event of India's efforts towards a self-reliance. Second point, the experiment in a cooperative dairy movement by Dr. Verghese Kurian led to the increase of milk production in India is called as the White Revolution. त्यालाच धवल क्रांती किंवा दुग्ध क्रांती असं म्हणतात. Now the third question, give reasons. This kind of question is asked in exam for 2 marks. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनो, तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडत असेल, तुम्हाला या व्हिडिओचा काही उपयोग होत असेल तर या व्हिडिओला तुम्ही नक्की लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सना सुद्धा शेअर करा आणि तुम्हाला इतर कुठल्या स्वाध्यायाचा व्हिडिओ हवा असल्यास कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये तसे नक्कीच कळवा. Question first, the Morarji Desai government lasted for a short while. Answer, on the backdrop of the emergency, many opposition parties came together and formed a party called the Janata Party. The Congress party led by Indira Gandhi was roundly defeated by this newly formed Janata Party. Third one, Morarji Desai became the Prime Minister, but under his leadership, the Janata Party government couldn't last long due to its internal differences. Hence, the Morarji Desai government lasted for a short while. Second question, the army had to be sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar. And the answer, the Sikhs in Punjab demanded in an independent state of Khalistan and began a movement which went on the became violent and destructive. Pakistan had lent its support to this movement. Some terrorists had allegedly taken shelter inside the Golden Temple at Amritsar, a holy shrine of the Sikhs in 1984. Next, fourth point. Hence, the Indian army was sent into the Golden Temple in Amritsar to evict the terrorists who had taken shelter there. Next, question third. The National Planning Commission was set up in India. Now, see the answer of this. First point, India wanted to acquire modernity and self-reliance by establishing industries. Second point, India wanted to establish an economy based on social justice through planning. For this, the National Planning Commission was established. This would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. Now student, next one is the fourth question. Student, if you like this video, please press the like button. Answer the following questions in details. Question first. How was 1991 a year of important changes in the history of the world and of India? So let's see the answer of this question. First point. The year 1991 is held to be very important in the history of the world as well as India. See, second point. The Soviet Union disintegrated into several different small countries and the Cold War came to an end. Third point. During this period, the Ram Jalmabhoomi and Babri Mosque issue at Ayodhya came to the forefront. Fourth point, in India, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in the Indian economy. Fifth one, these economy reforms are called as economic liberation. The Indian economy flourished as a result of the implementation of this policy. Then next, sixth point, skilled Indian professional helped reform the Indian economy. The field of information technology opened up several avenues of employment in the country. Then seventh point, the changes after 1991 are also described as a globalization. Now second question is, what are the characteristics of the Indian economy? And this question is marked as the important question as the part of the examination, because हा जो प्रश्न आहे हा याच्या आधी सुद्धा परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलेला आहे फॉर 2 मार्क्स. राईट, सो व्यवस्थित प्रिपेअर करायचा. आन्सर, राईट फ्रॉम इंडिपेंडन्स, the modernization of economy, economic self-sufficiency and social justice have been the characteristics of Indian economy. Then second point, India wanted to acquire modernity and self-reliance by establishing industries. भारताला आधुनिकता आणि स्वतःचे उद्योग व्यापार हे पाहिजे होता. It wanted to establish an economy based on a social justice through planning. For this, the National Planning Commission was established that would coordinate development through the policy of 5-year plans. Now, next and the last question is the fifth question. With the help of the information in the chapter, complete the list of the challenges before India and the strengths of the India. So let's see. The challenges in front of India, भारतासमोरची आव्हाने आणि भारताचे स्ट्रेंथ्स काय काय आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर. स्ट्रेंथ आहेत युनिटी इन अ डायव्हर्सिटी. नेक्स्ट चॅलेंज आहे क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिझम. तर त्याच्यासाठी स्ट्रेंथ आहे मेंबरशिप इन G20 अँड ब्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट चॅलेंज आहे ते आहे करप्शन. सो त्याच्यासाठी आहे न्यूक्लिअर प्रिपेअर्डनेस. अँड नेक्स्ट आहे सेपरेटिझम अँड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट ऑफ नॅशनल प्लॅनिंग कमिशन. सो या क्वेश्चन बरोबरच या चॅप्टरचा हा जो एक्सरसाइज आहे हा संपलेला आहे. जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू. बाय बाय.